up, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be looking at this old Harley here. It looks like my gas tank's kind of leaking a little bit around one of the studs where the stud meets the frame, one of the mounting positions. I had it fixed a few years ago and now it's leaking again, so I think I might try and fix it myself. So I'm going to pull this, I'll show you where it's leaking from, and then I'll pull these gas tanks off, see if we can't get it figured out. And yeah, so let's check it out. Down in here we got this, you can see where it's all wet in here. We got something going on in here for sure. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and we'll get this all torn apart. All right, I'm gonna start by taking this little beauty cover off here, get this out of the way, and then we'll gotta drain the gas out of this damn thing too, I guess. Yeah, the old bike, man, she's getting old. Things are gonna crack. It's just a matter of time. So while I'm doing this, I'm probably gonna try and end up painting these tanks too, and getting them all cleaned up. And then I'll do the rear fender while I'm at it, because I think there's a crack on the fender too somewhere I thought I saw, so I gotta take a look at that. Well, let's pull this cover off here. Get this set out of the way. So we got a bolt here. There's also one down here, right there up against the frame in there. It's like an Allen. And then we got these two guys down in here. But first we should probably try and get some of the fuel out of this thing. So let me get a fuel can and try and get this shit drained out of here. Alright, I'm just going to take this hose off the petcock here, and then we can drain this baby out. I'm going to try not to make a huge mess here single-handedly. Might have to go get the tripod for you guys so I can get this off of here with two hands, so give me just a sec. Alright, it's draining. I was able to get her going here. Didn't really make too much of a mess, so just gonna let all this fuel drain out of here, and then we'll get the rest of these bolts off, get these tanks split, and see what the damage looks like. Alright, I got this shit drained out finally. It freaking took way longer than I thought it was gonna, goddamn. So I'm gonna pull this crossover hose off here and get this set aside. If it'll come off. There we go. Alright, so the tank is empty. We're gonna go ahead and start loosening up some of these mounts here and try to get this thing out of here. Yeah, that freaking took forever. Of course, there's a big ass wiring harness in the damn way down here. Yeah, it's gonna start cooling down here soon, so I figured I might as well do some maintenance on this thing now. And it's never a good thing if it's leaking fuel. Finally, jeez. I can't see the other nut. You guys probably can't either, but it's in there somewhere. Shit, and that nut is loose too, man. And it's still leaking. That's probably why it's leaking, because it was loose. Vibrating icon on there like a sumbitch, and then it just cracked it. Oh, this freaking wiring harness sucks. I had some like rubber inner tube pieces in there. Well, you can probably see them right here. I don't know if that was enough or not. I need to make sure next time we get a really good piece of rubber in there, because I'm tired of this shit happening. So All right, we got those off. Let's see, we got this top mount here. This looks like a freaking 1/2 inch socket. It's either a 1/2 inch or a 9/16. Bear with me while I grab the socket. It's a 1/2 inch, baby. That's what we like, you know. Get the hell on there. And the other side is spinning, of course. Why wouldn't it? But I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching the videos. If you guys liking these videos, make sure you're hitting that like button. Make sure you're subscribing and tell your friends. Let's see here. Crescent wrench to the rescue, maybe. I don't know how I'm gonna ratchet this with the phone or the camera in my hand. And you guys, hold on just a second. I might be able to do something. Probably not. All right, man. I knew these things were gonna be good for something, man. See if we can get the right size here. Bam! That's the right size. There, we're doing this bolt down here on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's a pain in the ass, I know. It's kind of dark in here. But anyways, that's what we're doing right now. We gotta get this thing off. And then these things are ready to go. How much you want to bet the nut on the other side's freaking spinning? I think it is. Oh man, I'm gonna have to put you guys down again and get this damn bolt off of here. So hold on just a sec. Ha! I'm invincible. I got that sumbitch. All right, so now these things should be ready to come off here. Let's see what happens. Hopefully they come off. Oh yeah, there's a stupid hose in between here, right there. Forgot about that one hose. Get the fuck. And you know what? I got some lights on these tanks too that I'm probably gonna have to peel off. I forgot about that. So I'm probably gonna have to take the seat off because I got some LED strips under here to light this baby up at night. But now they're sticky taped on there, damn it. So I don't know, you can see them under here. I got some LED lights under here. They're probably not sticking very good anymore anyways. I can probably just peel them off and then re-stick them on later. That's probably what I'll do. Let me see here. Oh yeah, we'll just peel them off. And then I'll reattach them. Alright, tank number 1. There she goes. Piece of cake, right? Piece of cake. Oh man, she's dirty in here. So yeah, you can definitely see where she was eating the paint up. She's definitely been leaking, see? Dead giveaway. Yeah, I gotta get these rocker boxes polished back up while these tanks are off. Get all this stuff cleaned up. Clean up my wiring a little bit. And this thing will be ready to go. Alright, let me get this other LED strip off of here. Hopefully this one comes off just as easy. I think the wife is back with some food. So you know what that means. It's time to eat some food. Alright, LED strip is off. Come on, baby. This thing's still got a little bit of fuel in it, too. So it's probably going to leak. Yep. Get the hell. Oh, I forgot about this bolt up here. Oh, there's rubber falling out. Okay, here she goes. Alright folks, the tanks are off. There's the old shovel head. Oh, she looks so cool, man. I wish those tanks didn't cover up so much of the engine. But alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop this here, and I'll get these tanks ready to go. I'll see if we can't find out where that crack is, and I'll show you guys what's up with that. Alright, I got the bike pushed out of the way. I got the tank that was leaking sitting right here. It looks like it was leaking right here. I mean, you can definitely tell. Oh, sorry, that light's really bright. But there's something going on in here. Looks like there's some oil. Oil was getting stuck to it from the damn rocker boxes. So I'm gonna try and clean this up a little bit and see if we can't find out where the crack is. It's somewhere in here, has to be. Hopefully it's something I can fix. I don't want to have to take it somewhere, but we'll see what happens. Alright, the flipping camera died, but I just used this wire wheel on the drill here and kind of cleaned it off, so you can see where my guy a few years ago put some braze in there and kind of patched it up. But it's definitely leaking from somewhere in here, but I don't see any cracks. So I'm gonna try and maybe try to think of a way I can pressure test this thing here. I don't know if I'm gonna have something I can get on here. I gotta cover up these ports, but maybe I can try and pressure test it or put some fuel in it and let it hang and see if I can see any fuel coming out. I'm not sure yet. I might just hit up the guy and have him take a look at it again, because I know he can pressure test it and braze it again if there is a crack in here somewhere. The other one doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I'll have to check them out and see what's up. So I'll let you guys know what I decide to do here in a sec, and we'll figure it out. Alright, it's a new day. I went ahead and just took the tank to the guy that did the previous repair, and he took a look at it, and sure enough, it did have a really small crack in it. It wasn't super huge, but he was able to fix it. Let me show you what he did here. As you can see, he kind of put he rebrazed it, and then he put some soft solder around it to kind of, you know, make it to where it might flex a little bit better. But the crack was like right in here somewhere. Very small crack, kind of about halfway from the stud into the bottom of this. It's like right in the middle here somewhere. So he was able to clean that up and fix it up. It looks pretty good. He did a really good job on the soldering there, so hopefully that'll hold up. Now I just need to try to get a nice good rubber grommet or pad to put in between there. So if you guys know of anything or anything that I can buy, let me know, because I need something that'll work for that. But that's pretty much it for this episode of that. I was going to try and fix it myself, but I couldn't figure out a way to pressure test it with what I had. So I'll just take it back to the guy that did the previous repair. So it worked out fine. He didn't charge me too much. So next we'll go ahead and get the bike cleaned up a little bit where the tank goes, and next episode I'll probably get the rear fender off for you guys, because if I paint the tanks, I'm gonna paint the fender. I don't think I'm gonna paint the oil tank. I'll probably just leave it the color it is, let's just gloss black, whatever. But I mean, the tank and fender is gonna be black anyways, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with this same black or a different style black. I don't know. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and try to find a spray gun also, and just get you know, because I got air compressor, so I might as well be using a spray gun, right? So I'm gonna get a spray gun and some paint, and we'll try and do this the right way this time. So stay tuned for that. If you guys want to see that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit the like button for me. I'd appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We only got a couple months left, so I doubt it's gonna happen, but if you guys feel so inclined to hit that subscribe, I would appreciate it. And we'll get started on doing some sanding on these tanks right here, and we'll get that rear fender off on the bike, and be ready to go. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.